There is no more growth goal, quantitative growth goal in the plan. I think this is an important change because this gives China more possibilities, more room, more opportunities for sustainable growth. The second point is, of course, this dual cycle idea or theory. That means there is, from my interpretation now, a strong focus on the domestic market in a double sense. On the one side, the government is very much intended to increase consumption. And secondly, technology. Self-reliance on high-tech technology. It is totally clear that if China wants to become a high-income country, they should move ahead with more innovation-driven growth. Given this plan, it's more predictable also for foreign companies what will happen in China in the next 5 years. It's more important for companies to have their offices and factories and in China. The second one is technology cooperation. China in some areas, for example, artificial intelligence, are already more advanced than Europe in average, at least. So if European, German companies cooperate with Chinese companies in this kind of areas, they have also some benefits. For the Europeans and for the Germans, a huge opportunity. I think for the green finance, green development, sustainable development, pollution-free production. We have new figure in the exports and the imports. And also I just saw the German figures today. They're also surprisingly high. And one of the reasons is China. So this is the same like after the financial crisis. The recovery in Germany was strong because we have a strong trade with China, because China has a strong growth.